Hello everyone, I'm Jack, Noob Trading here. Another exciting day in the markets today. We have actually hit a technical correction, so that means we're 10% off the highs. So we've had a 10% or so pullback, and today's that day. So I'm just going to go over my trades today. I only did 3, so one kind of serious trade, and then I scalped a little bit. This is my profit for today over here. It is a real count. Let me click on stuff to make sure it's a real count. I shouldn't have clicked on that. Now I have to put one of those weird white squares on it. I'm trying to protect my account. I don't want anybody thieving it, but it is a real count. This was a real trade, as all my trades are, and I'm going to post daily, even if I lose. Hopefully you learned something. So let's go over the first trade. I took it around 9:44. So I'm trying to let the market breathe a little bit. Usually when I let it, give it a couple of minutes, 10 to 15 minutes off the open, I do better. So I have green days then. So I'm trying to follow my rules. Now, why did I take this trade? Well, as you can see, I have the yesterday's low and then the day before yesterday's low, Tuesday's low, marked out. I also have yesterday's high marked out, and I also have this nice trend line that I marked out. I really like trend lines. I think they work, and they work even better in association with support and resistance line. Usually when there's like a point where they intersect, man, they work so well. So I do use them. As you can see on the 5-minute here, they were respected perfectly. Like, you can't even ask for better than this. In any case, I marked out also the 5-minute high and the 5-minute low. Saw it was the first candle. There were some buyers there. That's why the long wick. So it was pushing it up. The second candle opened lower, and it went back down. And then I got in on the third candle, because I was just seeing the opening kept going down in the candles. We already have 2 red candles. I saw it wasn't able to get above here, and I already saw, we're making a lower low. Chances are we're gonna take a little dip and take this liquidity. So I got in a little late. As you know, it moves very quickly. I actually wanted to get in somewhere around 90, but I got in at 88. So I got in at 88. And then it started going down. I wanted to take out this liquidity right here. Hold on, let me put that back up. So I want to take out this liquidity right here. I was gonna ride it up until down till 75 and close my trade. Now I was watching it live. Started going down, and around when it hit 77, it bounced up. It kept having trouble getting lower, so I thought maybe it's going to bounce back up and go up. So I got scared out of my position, basically. But I should have had faith. I should have just stuck with it. But I was just afraid it was going to go back up to retest this and stop me out, and I didn't want that. So I just got out, and that was about an 11-point move that I caught. I'm always watching it as I'm in the trade. Now I have a DOM here. Usually it's the Trade of 8 DOM. I'm not going to put it up right now because I don't want to block out another account with a white square, but I'll post it eventually. But I'm basically watching the DOM and what's happening, the price action, and it's usually jittering like this, and I'll watch if it's going lower or if it's not, and that's what was happening here. So I just got out of the trade. And the other 2 were just scalps. Let me see when I took them. Like I said, again, I'm just watching price action. I knew I messed up when I got out at 77 because, if it took out 75, the next logical point, it would take out the liquidity down here because there were buyers. See, they dipped all the way here, and then looking at the 15-minute candle, there were a lot of buyers that came in and started this move. So I knew that they're likely to be targeted. As you can see, it went a little lower. When buyers get in, they put their stops about, 3 to 5 points below. And when the price comes back down, as you can see, the price got all the way below and took out some stops, and then boom, jump right back up. Well, that's what most traders say anyway. Like, people are putting their stops down here, so market makers are targeting them. I don't know if it's that or if it's just buyers that come in around this level, but anyway, basically it went a little lower. So stops could have been triggered, and then the price went back up. So as soon as I saw that it's breaking 75, I tried to get in, but I got in a little late. Again, chasing it, not good. I shouldn't be doing that. But I took out another couple of points, 2 points exactly. And then I waited, and around 10:36, let's see, where was 10:36? Looks like around here. Where were we at? 79. So around 80, I wrote it down for another 5 points, which was pretty good. I mean, like, after that, you see, it was kind of a bit of a base, and then we entered choppiness. So I wasn't in it long. I was basically in it for, what, 20 seconds, not even that, 10 seconds. Wow, that was a fast trade. And again, how do I know to get in some of these trades to scalp it? I am looking at the DOM, and I'm looking at the action. How fast is it moving, and what is it doing? And when I see it, I don't know, this is just from 2 years of trading. Sometimes I'll see that there's an opportunity there to scalp, and I'll go in for a quick 2-4 points, and that's how you do it. And there's no secret there. It's just basically I'm watching the DOM and looking to see if I can enter for a trade. Now, it's always risky to do that because it could go against you. But like I said, it's kind of a sixth sense sometimes when I can go in and just do a little scalp. And if it doesn't work out, I'm out for like a point or two, and it's not a big deal. Anyway, that's the profit from today. I look forward to trading with you tomorrow. And I only took, like I said, what is it? Is it 4 trades? No, it's 3 trades. 3 trades. Those were all the trades for today. And then I had some things to take care of at my business. I also went to the gym. And also took a little nap, if you want to know that. But yeah, I'm mainly in this for the time freedom, trying to eventually sell my business so I'm not tied to it. And then I'm looking to do this from anywhere in the world. Maybe one day I'll post my story of how I moved to Eastern Europe and got a shit communist apartment and just started trading, because that's what I decided I wanted to do for a job, because I no longer want to have a boss, because I've had a boss in I've probably had over 50 jobs in my life, and I've hated just about all of them, because you always have somebody telling you what to do. You have to be all pleasant and fake, even when you don't want to, even when the customers are wrong, or, acting very rude, which I don't really like rude people. I think you could be polite no matter what, so it kind of triggers me. And yeah, just didn't want to deal with bosses and rude customers and all that anymore. And I just believe trading offers you so much opportunity to travel and do your own thing. It is very hard. It's the hardest, easiest job there is, as you know. But yeah, it resonated with me. And this might be for you, it might not be for you, but it really resonated for me. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for tuning into my video. I'll be posting another one tomorrow, hopefully, and we'll go from here. Have a good one.